Hi, I'm Kai, and in today's video we have a look how we can use different title pages in our EPLAN project. What's the reason behind? So everybody knows the first page on our electrical drawings, which shows the main title page with some project information and maybe other informations about our project. But maybe you have also additional information you want to share with your customer or with the maintenance people from your cabinet. For example, some safety regulations, or you have some wiring informations like the colors of the wires, what they are meaning, or the cross sections. And maybe you also want to have another title page before every location designation. What means when somebody scrolls through your drawing, you can directly see that a new cabinet starts in the drawing. That makes it maybe a little bit easier for people who use the paper version or the PDF version to see directly that a new cabinet starts. And how we can do this in EPLAN is part of this video, so enjoy this video. So I have deleted all title pages in our project, and now we start to make the first title page. A title page is an automatic generated report, so that means we go under Tools and Generate. And first of all, we go here to the settings and output to page and have a look on a few settings. So when we go here to the title page, this is here line 26, you see that we have here a form which we have selected for our project, and we have the page sorting total. That means that we get one title page in total in front of our drawing. You can also change this here, but we want to do this later on in the report settings. So this is something we keep here as it is. We select our favorite form and we use the page sorting total. So now we go here to templates and click on the new button and select our title page. Because we have in our settings selected our main form which we want to use for our standard title page, we don't need to change something here. We just need to add, for example, the document type. I want to have it on AAA1. And we start with page number 1. So we keep everything as it is and click OK. We also don't need to make any other changes here in this field. So we can click on Generate Report, and you can see already here in our page navigator that we have generated our main title page. So in the next step, we want to use a different title page, for instance, the wiring informations or the safety informations. So we do this again. We go to Generate, we go to Templates, we go to the title page cover sheets here, make a new one. And we can select here our form, or we can do it later. I will do it later. I select also AAA1, click OK. And now you see that we have 1 and 2 here. So it makes sense to give them some real names, so that when later on you want to change something, you know which one it is. So in this case here, I want to generate these safety informations. So I go here to Form and I select here F26005. I think this was the safety information. And I change the automatic page description. Here I will do a manual page description, for instance, safety regulations. So I mark it on the left side and click on Generate. Now we can see here in our page navigator set, we have automatic generated the safety regulations. So in the next step, we want to add the wiring informations. So we click here on New, do the same thing again. And now we can, for example, add it here directly the form. We also want to have it in the document type AAA1. Click OK. And we give it a name. And we also changed the manual page description. And we can generate it again. So now we have these 3 title pages done more or less automatically. And when you add this to your base project, in the future you can do it automatically, so you don't have to do it always by hand. And in the next step, we want to generate a title page for each separate location designation, so that somebody who scrolls the drawing can directly see that a new location designation starts, to get a better overview when a new panel starts in your drawing. So, and herefore we need to have some more settings. So we go to generate again and click here on new. We want to have a title page, and here we don't change something, we change everything later on here. And yeah, we also want to have it in AAA1. Click OK. And now we first give a name. I call it location. And now we need to change some more things. So first of all, we have here the page sorting settings. From settings means what we have seen at the beginning of this video, that the project settings will be take for this, but we want to have structure identifier and we use the location designation. Click OK. For sure, we need to select a form. So I have prepared this one. And now we need to set also a filter, because otherwise you will get maybe also a title page for all your document types at the beginning of your drawing where maybe not a separate location designation is assigned. So this is why we want to exclude everything what has no location designation. So, and therefore we go here to filter, and yeah, we can, you see that I have already done some of them. So we click on new and give it a name. And now we add here some properties. So we want to have the location designation, it's this one. And we just say that it should not empty. So we click on save and OK. And now we'll try to generate this report as well. Close. And you see that we don't have it here at the beginning. There is no new title page, but we have it here. So that means when you scroll through your drawing, for example, you come from here and scroll, you directly see that, oh, here starts the enclosure 1. And the same for sure, for example, for enclosure 2. So when you come from here and you scroll through your drawing, you can directly see, oh, here starts enclosure 2. So now I want to know from you if you have several title pages in your project and what you are using on these pages. Do you have some more information you provide for your customer or for the maintenance team or for your workshop? Please write it down in the comment. And as always, I like to get a like from you. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm looking forward to more channel members and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.